Welcome to Ayurveda Smart E-Classes. Charaka Samhita Kalpasthana. For any doubt, you can just go through this block. Chapter 11 Saptala Shankini Kalpa Adhyaya. Pharmaceutical preparation of Saptala and Shankini. Adhadaha Saptala Shankini Kalpam Vyakyasyamaha Idihasmaha Bhagavanatreyaha. Now we shall expound the different kalpa of Saptala and Shankini. Thus said Lord Atreya. Synonyms Saptala Charma Sahwa Cha Bahufena Rasa Cha Sa. Saptala is described along with two other names like Charma Sahwa and Bahufena Rasa. Shankini Tiktala Chaiva Yavatikta Akshipidagaha. Shankini is described with other synonyms like Tiktala, Yavatikta and Akshipidaga. So these are the synonyms. For Saptala, Charma Sahu and Bahufena Rasa, Shankini, Tiktala, Yavatikta, Akshipidaga. Therapeutic indications. Te Gulma, Gara Hrudroga, Kushta Shobha Udharadishu. Vikasi, Tikshna, Rukshatvad, Yoje, Sleshmadigeshu tu. These two are indicated in management of Gulma, Gara, Hrudroga, Kushta, Shobha and Udhara. An excess aggravation of Kapha dosha due to presence of property like Vikasi, Tikshna, Ruksha. Method of collection. Nadi Shushkam, Phalam Grahyam, Shankinya, Nistushikritam. Shankini fruits that are not too dry should be taken after removing husk. Nistushikritam. Saptala yascha mulani, grihitva bhajane kshipet. Root of Saptala should be taken and preserved in a vessel. Preparation in Kabhavada dominant cardiac disorder and Kulma. Akshamatram tayoho, pindam, prasanna lavana yudam, hridroge kabhavathote, gulme chaiva prayojayet. Paste of Saptala and Shankini is indicated in amount of akshamatra with prasanna, clear wine, and saindava lavana in hridroga and gulma caused due to kapha and vada dosha. Parkadio formulations. Priyala, Pilu, Karkandu, Kola, Amradaka, Dadimaihi. Draksha, Panasa, Garjura, Bhadara Amla, Parushakaihi. Maireye, Dedimande, Amle, Sauvirage, Tushodage. Sedav cha abhi esha, kalpaha syad, sugam shikra virejanaha. This paste of Saptala, Shankini, wine and salt can also be used with other drugs separately for quick and easy purgation as enlisted below. So with Priyala, Pilu, Karkandu, Kola, Amradhaga, Dhadima, Draksha, Panasa, Gharchura, Bhadaramla, Parushagha, Maireya, Amladhati Manda, Saviraga, Tushodaga and Situ. Oil-based formulation. Tailam vidhari gandhadyehi payase kvadide pachet saptala shankini kalke trivritsyama ardha bhagige. The oil, that is sesame oil, tailam, cooked in the milk prepared with vidhari gandhadi group with paste of saptala and shankini and half its quantity of paste of trivarta and shyama should be administered. दधिमण्डेन सन्नीयसिद्धं तत्पाययेच्छ शङ्किनी चूर्णभागौ द्वौ तिलचूर्णस्य च अपरः हरितगे कषायेण तैलं तत्पीडितं पिबेत्. After completion of oil processing, this oil should be used along with diluted curd. Dadimandam. 2 part of powder shankini churna, 1 part of sesame powder tila churna, and decoction of haritaki. Adasi Sarshabaihi Eranda Karanjeshu Esha Samvidhi. Like this formulation, other 4 formulations are prepared using 4 different dravya in place of sesame, which are Adasi, Sarshaba, Eranda and Karanja. Ghee, clarified butter preparation. Shankini, Saptala Siddhat, Kshirad Yad Udiyad Gridam. Grida should be prepared from the milk processed with Saptala and Shankini. Kalkabhage tayoreva Trivrt Shyama Ardha Samyude. This krida is processed with paste of Saptala and Shankini along with half part of Shyama and Trivrt. Kshirana Lodhya Sampakvam Pibetacha Virejanam. When the ghee gets cooked with all mentioned drug, it is prescribed to take orally with milk for purgation. Dandi Dravandayoho Kalpo Ayam Aja Srinkya Ajagandayoho Kshirinya Neelikayascha Tathaivacha Karanjayoho Masura Vidhalayascha Pratyak Parnya Tathaiva Cha. The above mentioned process can be applied to other preparation of ghee with a paste of different payers, and these payers are 1. Paste of Dandi and Dravandi, 2. Paste of Ajashringi and Ajagandha, 3. Paste of Kshirini and Neelika, 4. Paste of Karanja Dravya, 5. Paste of Masura, Vidhala and Pratyaga Parni. Dvivarga Ardamsha Kalkena Tadvat Sadhyam Gridam Punaha. Shankini Saptala Dhatri Kashaye Sadhayet Gridam. The grida may also be prepared with decoction of Saptala, Shankini and Amalagi and again processed with payer drugs. Trivart Kalpena Sarpischa. Grida may also be prepared with Trivarta. Trayo Lehascha Lodravat. 3 types of linctus should be prepared with Lodra. Sura Kambilla Yogaha. Karyo Lodra Vadeva Cha. As in Lodra, other preparations were mentioned with wine, Sura and Kambilaga should be made. Dandi Dravandayoho Kalpena Savviraga Tushodhake Ajaganda Ajasringayoscha Tadvat Syadham Virejane. Savviraga and Tushodaga as said in context of Dandi and Dravandi as well with Ajaganda Ajashringi should be prepared with Saptala and Shankini which act as purgative. Summary. Tatra slogau Kashaya dasha shat Chaiva shat taile Ashtau cha sarpishi Panchamadhye Trayo leha yogaha Kampillage tatha Saptala shankinibhyam Te trimshad ukta navadikaha Yogaha siddhaha Samastabhyam Eka sho abhi cha te hidaha. 16 preparation with decoction of kashaya, 6 in oil, 8 in ghee, 5 in fermented liquor, 3 as linctus and 1 with kambilaga. Thus total 39 tested formulation of Saptala and Shankini have been described. They are useful in combination or separately. So with Kashaya 16, in Taila 6, in Krida 8, in Madhya 5, as Leha 3, with Kambilaga 1. So total formulation are 39 in number. Saptala is Euphorbia pilosa, and these are the images of Saptala and the reference are also given. Shankini is Euphorbia dracunculoides and the pictures with references given. Thank you for watching our video. Please like our channel Ayurveda Smart E-Classes. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates. Also, don't forget to post your doubts in the comment section for more clarification. All the references are given below the video. Thank you.